This 2026 Grand Design Imagine 2970RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 34 feet 2 inches in length and features Sleep 6, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, leveling jacks, refrigerator, skylight, air conditioning, awning, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, stovetop burner, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Imagine 2970RL is 7,880 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.